Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am your physics teacher Miss Saida from Bahria Colleges PNET. Today our lecture will be on mass measuring instrument, beam balance and lever balance. Our learning outcomes are to know about physical balance and beam balance, part of physical balance and working principle of lever balance. What is mass? The mass of a body is the amount of matter present in it. The SI unit of mass is kilogram, and mass of a body is measured with the help of physical balance up to 1 milligram accurately. A beam balance consists of a beam The working principle of beam balance is for balancing the beam. Equal masses on both sides makes the beam balance. It is the principle of equilibrium. Physical balance is more modified form of beam balance. Both beam balance and physical balance works on the principle of equilibrium. In equilibrium, the anti-clockwise movement due to the weight or mass of an object on left pan of the beam is equal to the clockwise movement due to the standard weight or mass on the right pan of the beam. The physical balance is covered by the glass case to protect it by resistance of air. Here is a glass case. This physical balance commonly used in our physics lab or in chemistry lab. A physical balance is consist of a beam, balancing screw, pans, pillar, plumb line, stirrups, leveling screw, and arrestment knob. The beam is suspended on pillar by the help of knife knob. Balancing screw. If pointer is not in the middle of the scale, we move these screws forward or backward to bring the pointer in the middle of the screw. On other word, we remove the zero error from the physical balance by these screws. Pen are hang by stirrups. These stirrups hold by two knife edges. Pillar is hollow metallic pipe inside the lever attached with arrested knob. Knob control the movement of the lever that is inside the pillar. These movement may be up and down by the arrested knob. These plumb line ensure that all the setup in the properly balanced on the horizontal and vertical side. Scale fitted on the center pillar to find the reading when the oscillation of pointer is equal to its mean balance. It is fit for reading. Working of the leveling screw is to balance the whole system on the lap slab. After leveling the balance, the object is placed in the left hand pan and the standard masses are placed in the right pen. The beam is set free by turning the arrested knob. The pointer moves toward the side of the smaller mass. The standard mass in the pen adjusts to find the mass of the object. The lever balance consists of a system of lever. It is first kind of lever. When lever is lifted, placing the object is one pen and standard mass on the other pen. The pointer of the lever system moves. The pointer is brought to zero by varying standard masses. You often see this type of instrument on grocery shop. Now complete your assignment. Allah Hafiz.